Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to withdraw money from Fiverr. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Fiverr and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, you're gonna find the search bar. Here, you're gonna find notifications, messages, lists, orders, and right here, you're gonna find your profile picture. So go ahead and click right here and then log in if you are not logged into your account. And then once you click on your profile picture, you're going to find right here profile, post a request, refer a friend, become a seller, settings, billing and payment. Right here, you're going to find the language, currency, and help and support. So if you want to see your profile, go ahead and click on the profile. And then as you can see, guys, this is the page where you're going to find everything related to your profile. So right here, you can add a description, languages, skills, education, and certification. So again, we're going to click on the profile icon. And then right here, you're going to find billing and payments. Go ahead and click on it. And then right here, you're going to find uh, 4 sections, billing history. So right here, you're going to find your billing history. In my case, I have this message, no invoices yet, because I didn't make any invoice. Right here, you're going to find billing information. So you can add your informations right here. Here you're going to find available balances. So there is the Fiverr balance and Fiverr credits. So the Fiverr balance is from canceled orders, and there is also the credits. There's also the payment methods. So right here, you need to add your payment method so you can get or you can withdraw money from Fiverr. So go ahead and add your payment method. Click on add payment method, and then you can choose between credits or debit card or PayPal. So for example, I'm gonna click on credits or debit card. And then what you need to do, guys, right now is to enter your card number, expiration date, security code, first name and last name, and then click on save to verify your payment method. And then you're going to be able to withdraw money from Fiverr. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.